Hello everyone, Colby Elmore here from Johnson RV, Medford, Oregon. Today I am very excited to tell you about this premium pre-owned piece of inventory we just got in. This right here is a 2021 Leisure Travel Unity 24CB. So the CB stands for corner bed. Absolutely amazing floor plan and amazing quality. This thing is in great condition. Beautiful full body paint on the outside, nice black and white two-tone exterior. Slide topper on in here, frameless tinted windows. This one gives you a slide out, as you can see. Go around the back right here, rear ladder, backed up camera. Huge advantage this quarter bed floor plan gives you is all the storage you get underneath the bed right here. Huge amount of exterior storage on this guy. Truma Aquago hot water heater. Amazing floor plan on the newer Mercedes chassis. So you got heated, swiveled, powered seats right here. Tons of room in this cab area. Paddle shifters, adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, all that. I like how they even match the upholstery of the cab seats to the dinette and everything else. They said this thing is amazing quality. If you don't know anything about leisure travel, definitely do your research. Limited production, very hard to come by. And usually when you do, they are in amazing condition like this one. Corner bed floor plan, like I said earlier. So you got the good sized bed right here, tons of counter space. Little pull out pantry. Thought that was a nice touch. TV back here in the bedroom and TV up there as well. Good size bathroom, good size shower. Yeah, if you have any other questions about this unit or anything else Johnson RV carries, please reach out to someone on the team. Thank you very much and have a great day.